We are out the front of my scrapyard. Funny thing happened. I was gonna video everything, you know, of the trip down here, but I got the old SD card full message because I neglected to check before I left. So I'm recording on my phone. I don't have much space and I don't have much battery. Today we have on board, we have a bin full of cords and 2 alloy rims. I don't know if you can see that. We're just gonna quickly cash those in because the tires take up too much space. And also I'm seeing my website guy, web designer, he's making a website for me. He lives around the corner, so I gotta go see him. So I thought I'd make use of this trip down these ways, down those scenic country roads that I love. And I thought I'd hit them both at once. So let's quickly go do this, because as I said, my battery's flat and my, well, it's going flat and my phone is nearly full. Okay, so the wind was howling in this clip, so I thought I'd voice it over. This rim, it's such a shame. It was in really good condition, but it was too big, unfortunately, for me to keep in my garage. Now, the scrapyard gave me $223 for 78 kilos of medium grade, mid-grade insulated copper wire, and they gave me $15.40 for both of those rim and tires. So, not bad. But let's cut to the picking.
Oh yeah, there's the belong
Modem thing.
modem. That's pretty much. Oh, sorry, mate.
No, that's perfect. That's exactly what I recycle.
Yeah, but yeah, nah. A lot of that was taken. This is that's like all DVDs in there.
Oh wow. Okay, I'll check it out. But thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.
Very generous. Oh, we got some wet DVDs. Yeah, no thanks. They're all wet, man. They are all wet. Some of them aren't wet. Some of them aren't wet, so we will take this whole box, just in case. There's some rare, like Aussie, rare DVDs that sell well in Australia. I like old Australian sitcoms, not sitcoms, television shows, Australian made ones. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it, Mama. We have to have a look. Nothing. Books, even. Oh man, there's so many books. Okay. Dyson. Okay, that's as far as I'm willing to dig. Good morning and welcome to the Polyprofit YouTube channel. Today we're on the road. We are off to a delayed start. I had massive troubles with my label printer. Half a shopping bag worth of stuffed labels later. All it took was a simple off and on, and magically it started printing properly. I won't get into it. What we need to get into is these streets. So we are cruising down to a different kind of area nearby, but I don't usually go there. But it's more of a how would you say, higher income area. Yeah, that's the way to, is that the way to explain, does that explain it? I think so. So we're going to this area around the corner, but I'm gonna hit the post office first to drop off all those shipment packages, and then we can finally start picking. So I think I might see you along, yeah, anyway. I don't know what I'm saying. My head is off. I'm a little bit rattled. Not rattled, a little bit, my head's not in the game, okay? My head isn't in the game quite yet, but I'm sure we will be shortly. Nothing really for us except gas fittings. Oh, there's a bag for us. I see one. I see something. It's not spectacular, but we will definitely take it. Oh, come to me, my beauty. Oh, it's... oh man, there's some light fixtures and everything in there, but not right now. I've got stuff to do that I need to get on top of straight away. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Wow. It's like a boiler. Cool. Steel. Okay. That wasn't a waste of time. Hi there, sorry to bother you. I was wondering, I was hoping that I could recycle some of that stuff you have out there.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'd rather get it used than go in the bin. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Oh yeah. What would you like? Yeah, grab the chair. It's all good.
Oh, the electrical, really? I might take this actually. This is handy.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. I'm just filling up my container and running out of room. That's all.
Oh, okay. Fair enough.
It'll. No, the gurney's had it. The motor's had it.
Oh, I'll take the wire off it.
That works, though.
Yeah. Okay.
The Breville thing, but my other one's a bit better, so I'll put that out.
Fair enough.
So yeah. No,
lovely.
help yourself.
Thank you, brother.
Don't want the shovel.
Oh, nah, I can't fit. I could, but it's a lot of hassle. But thank you anyway.
You're welcome. Thanks for asking.
Cheers. don't really want this sandwich press, but I feel obliged because he said it works. But yeah, another good interaction. Sometimes just talking to someone, you know what I mean, like having a conversation with someone, even a random stranger, sometimes that's all you need, man, just to brighten up your day. But anyway, I will see you in the next one. Hey, we're building just a little bit. Oh, workwear? Lovely. Cords. Are these brass? Jeez, they look brass. We'll take them home and find out. King G. Premium quality polyester cotton drill dust coat. Yes, sir. These guys just moved in by the look of it. Could this be the one? With the cord? It's down. Okay, a little bit of stuff. A little bit of some things. Got the bag full of Indian movies. .3D glasses. Cord. Yes. Bunch of 3D glasses in there. Okay, what do we have? Cord. This thing. I don't want this thing. Modem. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. That softens the blow a little. Oi! Forget what I was gonna say. Somebody got a PS5. That's mad. I want a PS5. Wonder when they'll start ending up in the hard rubbish piles. Oh, we got a cord. How about that? This is as close as we'll get to a PS5 today. Ah, cord. Anyway, I was going to say I thought this was an industrial area, but these guys live right next to those factories. So, yeah, bicarb soda. We'll do some science experimentation. Anything, nothing. Big aluminium pot. Some domestic aluminium that I don't want. I was collecting it, but you know what? I don't think it's worth it, eh? Okay, handful of cords. Yes, sir. Bloodstones. Yeah, nah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, nah. I don't want that. It's like locked in with all that resin. But yes to this one. Oh, look at that. Brass fittings. Tools. Tools and cord. We got a 10mm. They always go missing. These guys want to chuck it out. I think I just interrupted that guy. He might have been having the shower. That's what it takes, eh? Sometimes. Okay, let's go. Aluminum. Let's just double check that it's aluminium. Beauty. Beauty. Okay, if I can bend this, I'm taking it. Do you reckon I can bend it? Alright. This is on. This is a cord. I think so. Oh, caster wheel. I don't know, but I think I'll take this. That Lego. Whatever. Okay, that's good enough for me. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Maybe I will, I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'll get back with you. Beauty. Okay, these will be a little harder to bend. Or will they? Easier. Yes, sir. Okay, I love my ute. Yeah, that's alright. Thank you, my friend. There's a battery. Oh, what? That bird got taken out. Oh, man. You poor thing. Okay, don't hurt me. Oh my gosh. What do I do? He's still alive. Where is it gonna get you, my bro? Ow, 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 ow. Okay, okay, okay. Are you gonna make it? I don't know what to do. I don't want to just leave you here. Are you gonna be okay? Like you understand me. I don't know what to do. Well, she's off the road. Poor thing. I thought the best thing to do was just put her to the side so cars won't run her over. She's still there. Hopefully her friends might tend to her. I don't know. Oh man, apologies. My battery just went flat, but I was just over at the pile. I don't know if you can see that over there. I found some cores, but I also found this little beauty. I had no idea about binoculars, but Hanamex, don't they make cameras? Okay, we got one lens cover. Wow, we can go bird watching, I guess. Oh, I do have the covers. Oh yeah. Cool. We will search that later online, I guess. That'd be cool, just like decorative. Hey, maybe, maybe not. Ooh. Here we are at the next. I think I want this little compost bin. Let's go. Might as well check everything else. Candles. No, 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 no. Nope. Toys. Plastic. Bags. No, everything's light. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Old mate aluminium is in the way. No, it's not going to stay like that, is it? Oh, oh yeah. All right, all right, all right. Let's bounce. We're home. Oh, it wasn't looking promising early this morning, but it looks a lot better now. There's nothing really spectacular. Nothing worthy of going inside the car, except for the binoculars. These bad boys. But, you know, what can you do? You can't pick and choose when you find stuff. or you can't pick and choose when good stuff crops up. Anyway, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm hungry and tired. So let's get this unloaded and we'll go from there. Okay. Alright. Everything's unloaded. I think I'm just going to start here. This is for me, personal. It's a compost bin. I've got one just over there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know where this one's going to go, but I'm going to use it. All that aluminium. PM and all these upright bars. Ah, DVDs I gotta still go through. Some of them are wet, some of them aren't, some of them are sealed. Oh, the footy show. Those are the days, eh? But yeah, that'll be cool going through this. Hopefully we can find some, that right there is actual rubbish. That's rubbish. Hopefully we can find some oddball, rare type Aussie, what are they called? Aussie drama series shows, Country Practice or something like that. Ralph magazine. Wow. Smorgasbord of cords. You can always count on cords. Some of these are stripped, but most of them aren't. Where? Here. Tools to go with the rest. This is all market. Probably not. I can't see myself actually doing that. I've done it before, but it's a bit of a mission. We'll wait and see on that one. This one, battery. Yes. This battery reminds me of that bird that unfortunately got taken down. Modem, PD. These guys. Get out. Get out. Okay. PC power supply. Cord. I think brass fittings. We will find out. They look like it. These guys. Tools. Nintendo stands. Nintendo stand. Shame there wasn't any Nintendos. Caster wheel. Brassness. Tool. Oh, I didn't realize I got this many. That's not bad. This guy, I don't really want to take this, but I felt obliged to do so because the guy was pretty cool. Cords. Whoops. Tools. Cords. Cords. Okay, those are smashed. Why have I got these? Tools. Tools. Modem. Milk crate. And join the rest of your friends. These are scrap. Tools. Yes. Oh, this guy, brand new. Size 107 dust coat. Oh, yep, there's a picture of it. Yes, I got him. A couple of remotes. Our binoculars. Hanomix. It's probably the find of the day. Or perhaps this. Like a, geez, what year would this be? AFL 2000-ish? Just guess. Richmond fans would know. Is that still your logo? When did they stop doing that logo? Or is that the logo? I can't remember. I'm off sports. I used to love sport, but I realized there's more to life than sport. Like, I like sport, but it's not the end be all and end all, you know? Oh, yep. Beauty. Geez, that's it. Slim pickings. Oh well, we did get off to a rough start, but you know, overall it was a good day. I got out, I met some cool people. I found a few little things. Yeah. But that is trash picking done for the week. Get off me. This will be fun to go through later. I don't know if I might film it. I probably won't, but I might. But anyway, that is trash picking done for this week. Done and dusted. We will catch up with you in the future sometime. I don't know when. Maybe a scrapyard run or something else. I've got to go because I've got to e-waste pickup right now. So I'm going to fill this place up even more so. Alrighty, we're back from our e-waste pickup. Give you a bit of a squeeze. Apologies for the wind if it's getting you in your ears. Oh, so all of this is scrap. Yeah, I didn't see anything of note when I was loading it. Just a bit of this, bit of that. Laptops, someone tried to drill holes in their laptop. Yeah, I don't think I'll break it down. I'm just gonna take it inside and sort it to its designated area for scrappage. Okay, if I do find something, I'll let you know. Yeah, all right, I will see you on the next one. Peace.